All right, folks, we're truly excited about the launch here of our M106 Pro. This has been a lot of development in the making, out April 18th. Here for our live unboxing video to show you the product. Number one, the retail packaging. I love the work that our marketing team does on the packaging. Really well designed and a lot smaller than before, which allows us to even ship cheaper and to keep our costs down on getting the products out to the customers. Really excited about just the overall appearance of the packaging. Let's go ahead and pop her open. M106 Pro. First thing you're going to see is your user guide, which is just very basic and simple. We're going to direct the customers into our web platforms where they're going to have a wide range of tools to learn how to properly use their device. They're going to get follow-up from CSG directly on how to use their device. You've got your setup instructions, you've got your support options and where to go, you've got your warranty here in the back. It's very basic but very informative. And obviously you've got your beautiful M106 Pro device. Like our other products, comes with the mount. You can mount to a wall, to a ceiling tile. You could even go in vehicle if you wanted to. You've got your mounting hardware right here with it. You're able to really mount anywhere that you'd like. Very well designed. We put time into the little details like this. And here is your M106 Pro. And you guys will see in some of the marketing, there's some very cool things that we've done with this particular unit. Number one, the antennas, which everybody dramatically reinforced to us that we really wanted something that could fit in your pocket and be able to be taken on the go. We've accomplished that here. It fits into jeans and pockets very easily. The antennas can stand up at a 90-degree angle like the competitive products that are out there, but we've discovered that if you create some space between the antenna, between the LTE antenna, using the flanges that allow it to extend out, you get better performance. We're calling it power position, and it allows for sometimes double the speeds just by simply creating the gap between the antennas. It will work like this. It can work closed, but if you want increased performance, you've got that power position capability, which is only going to be available on the M106 Pro. Really excited about it. Let's show you the device itself and kind of span around a little bit. Number one, you've got your Type-C power charging side right here. If you turn over to the other side, you've got your power and your hard reset button right here. On the side, you've got your USB port, your WAN and LAN ports. You've got your 2 SIM slots. This is a dual SIM product, whereas the M106 was single SIM. So you're able to use backup. You can fail over Verizon to Verizon SIM to SIM. You can fail over to CSG SureConnect for backup. You can fail over to another carrier. You've got that option with the dual SIM setup. On the back, you'll see everything that you need from a hardware identifier standpoint. You've got your password, you've got your device IMEI, and for the first time you have access to the battery. So this back door actually pops off and you can access and replace the battery if you have battery issues. Another key new feature on the M106 Pro. You've got your high quality charging cables, and I listen, these accessories, I try to articulate this every time. We spare no expense on the accessories, and you'll be able to tell that when you feel it and when you get your hands on it. These are not what you would consider, cheap throwaway type chargers that come in the actual retail package. You've got your American adapter here, and then you've got your RJ45 cable as well right here, so you can go Ethernet if you would like. Also, if I haven't mentioned yet, this is a Cat 12 product, whereas the M106 before was a Cat 6 product. We're seeing nearly double the speeds. You can sell these on the higher end plans that produce better speeds for your customers. So again, Cat 12 LTE dual SIM with a removable battery for the CSG M106 Pro.